Alrighty, so let's get in here and let's adjust the neck. We're gonna let your head just fall on the table. Lift and rotate. Good. Same thing here. Drop the right shoulder. Gotcha. Perfect. Let your head relax. Okay. Now we're gonna cradle the neck like so. No discomfort?
Nope.
Let your head fall. Good. Perfect. Good. Now I'm gonna have you bend both knees for me. Okay, you're gonna take your hands, have you hug yourself. I want you to take a nice deep breath. Let it out. Good. Take a breath. And out. There you go. Perfect. All right. Go ahead, line your side and face me over here. Good. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna let your legs fall to the floor. Perfect. All right, let's go rotate the other side. Perfect. Good. Like so. Okay, we're gonna let your leg fall. We're gonna drop. Perfect.
Yeah.
On your back. And straighten the legs. All right, let that fall. Perfect. Same thing. Let it go. Good. Perfect. Not bad.